Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, nowadays artificial intelligence, or in other terms or common terms AI, has been integrated across various tools that we use daily. Now one of such tools, or you can say an app, is WhatsApp. Okay, who doesn't use WhatsApp nowadays? Most of us do. Okay, now in WhatsApp what we do, we collaborate, we chat, we send pictures, videos, and now even money too. Haha, and of course messages. That's how it was started years ago. Now with AI integrated, you can generate live pictures. When I say live pictures, I mean to say pictures on the spot. How? I'm gonna show you in this video. So see, this is a chat. Okay, I click on picture. I click on this attachment. I have the option to imagine. Now let's say I'm saying birthday party at lake. See, it got created. Or I will say birthday party on moon. Wow, see how good it is. And I can send it. And not only that, you get options like if I type the similar text, let's say birthday party at Alaska. Okay, before you send, it generates other options too. If you want to do like this one, see, you can make changes also, like it is animating. Okay, and I can simply send it. So if you observe how easy it is to do such things using AI, right? You don't need to like know any coding or any customization. It's just available. Okay, and I have seen similar things in Facebook too. Both are integrated with Meta, so that's why you have similar UIs everywhere. So it's really good guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. In case you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel guys, because a lot of you just watch and go away. But please motivate me, please help me. I try to bring as much content as I can, and I listen to what you ask for. So please guys, subscribe to the channel if you haven't.